This unit addresses atmospheric stability and its 7 indicators. Atmospheric stability is the resistance of the atmosphere to vertical motion. If the atmosphere is stable, vertical movement of air is limited, and this decreases fire activity. If the atmosphere is unstable, vertical movement of air is occurring, and this tends to increase potential for the fire to develop vertically and grow rapidly. It is important to not only recognize when an air mass is unstable, but also when it is in transition from stable to unstable. This video shows how an unstable atmosphere can increase fire activity. Use the Haynes Index, which measures the stability and dryness of the lower atmosphere, to predict the potential for existing fire to become large fires. This index ranges between 2 and 6. The higher the number, the drier and more unstable the atmosphere. When you are on an assignment, listen to the weather briefings and look in the IAP for the Haynes Index. To monitor atmospheric stability, constantly be looking for any of the 7 indicators. Good visibility, gusty winds and dust devils, cumulus clouds, castellatus clouds in the morning, smoke rises straight up, inversion beginning to lift, thermal belt. The first indicator is good visibility, which is a sign of unstable atmospheric conditions. The next indicator is gusty winds and dust devils. These conditions can make fires more dangerous by increasing spotting and starting new fires. Cumulus clouds are an indicator of vertical movement. The more they develop vertically, the more unstable the atmosphere. Seeing castellatus clouds in the morning indicate an unstable atmosphere and could be a warning of thunderstorms in the afternoon. These clouds consist of cumuliform clouds, which are usually arranged in lines. Smoke rising straight up is an indicator of vertical movement and an unstable atmosphere. Another sign that the atmosphere is becoming unstable is when you see an inversion beginning to lift. For example, when an inversion is breaking, relative humidity values can drop from the 40s and 50s back into the single digits in less than 1 hour. The behavior of the fire burning beneath an inversion can change abruptly when the inversion is lifting. The final indicator is a thermal belt. This occurs when the air is stable. During the night, cooler air from higher mountain elevations drains into the lower elevations, causing more stable conditions. This initiates a thermal belt, which is a zone of warm nighttime temperatures and lower nighttime relative humidity on top of a night inversion. Its presence is most evident during clear weather with light wind. Fire conditions in a thermal belt can remain quite active during the night. When you are on a fire, observe the clouds, smoke, and other stability to estimate potential fire behavior hazards. Continue building your mental model of the fire. We have just covered the 7 indicators for atmospheric stability. Good visibility, gusty winds and dust devils, cumulus clouds, castellatus clouds in the morning, smoke rises straight up, inversion beginning to lift, thermal belt.